Patent pending infringement. Everything you need to know. As soon as you file a patent application with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, your invention is patent pending. Once your application is submitted, nobody can steal, sell, or use your invention without your permission, as long as you pay the maintenance fees. Your patents cannot expire. You can sue anyone infringing on your patent if it is active. Here are your rights during the patent pending process. Before the patent application, your idea or product can be stolen without any repercussions if you share it with others before filing. Patent pending status. You have rights as soon as you submit a patent application, and you can place a patent pending notice on your products. The invention typically stays pending for between 1 and 3 years. Then, either a patent gets issued or the application is abandoned. Patent approval. You have the most rights when you have a patent on file, and these rights can last for a duration between 14 and 20 years, depending on the patent type. After a patent expires, all exclusive rights are gone, and you can no longer sue companies for using and selling your products. If someone steals your product while it is patent pending, here are a few steps you can take. Contact the company. You can send a cease and desist letter, issuing a warning that you plan to file a lawsuit when your patent issues if the company does not stop its behavior. License patent to the company. When your patent is issued, you can decide to license your patent to the company if you desire. However, you can also follow through with your lawsuit to stop the company from infringing on your patent anymore. Hire an attorney. If you do not get a response from the company involved in patent pending infringement and the company does not stop the behavior, you should consult an attorney. If you can prove a company willfully infringed on your patent, you can get triple damages. That's why it's important to write a letter and start building a case as early as you can. If you believe someone is infringing on your patent, you need legal counsel to sue for damages. You can post your legal need here to find a competent lawyer from UpCounsel's marketplace.